Nakabidyo. Nakabidyo ba yun? Hi!
Hello!
Hi, we're here in Tagaytay. So what?
So what? I don't care. Saan pupunta?
Magala tayo. Sige, sama ka. Hoy, itutur ka namin sa aming hacienda. We are for sister that.
Okay.
Ito'y pamana ng aming mga lolo.
Okay, just go on. I don't understand Filipino.
Uy, mag-ano ka naman?
Okay.
Mag-question ka naman.
What can you say about the horse here in the rancho?
They're so strong.
What about your whose jacket with stripe? Is this a horse? A jacket with stripe? There.
Half sister.
Half sister of horse?
Yeah.
Oh no. What can you say about that? Is that tikbalang?
Not really.
Ano?
Hoy, dali kayo. May documentation kami.
So what can you say about the...
Hello!
Whatever!
Sila si Bombay,
Bombay?
I love you all. I love you.
Ano ba yan?
Naku, YouTube.
What can you say about the Tagaytay?
Nag-horseback riding nga pala sila.
Hey you!
Hey, you.
How about you?
Dito kami sa upuan. Actually, dito kami sila.
Yeah.
Tapos na kami doon. Ano ka sa upo?
Macau.
Kukunin ko sa upuan.